Okay, just a couple more quick things on fotobility. Obviously, when you're at an event, you've got the router set up, which is creating that Netgear closed Ethernet network that we tie the laptop into, and then we also connect the iPads into, and it's that connection that lets the iPads see these images. And so what you're going to do when you get that set up and everything is connected to the router, you're going to point the iPads to whatever Wi-Fi address is listed here on the settings tab. So you see I went into the settings tab, and most of this stuff won't get changed week to week. This is just telling it where to save the files, what kind of viewing stations you're using. Ours are typically the large 10-inch iPads, things like that. This is what can change right here over on this area. You see it gives you a lot of different IP addresses. 9 times out of 10, the one that you want for the iPads is this one that will say Wi-Fi. So you see this 10.0.0.216. If we were to go on the iPads, we open up, normally we use Safari for our web browser there, and if we were to go to 10.0, let me just see what that .0.216, 0. When you put that IP address in, it will take the customer to the login screen. So once they put their phone number in here and click login, now they see that Legends Test 2019 folder we created. There's all the images. Fotobility isn't really made for PC screens, so it can look a little off if you were to do it like I'm doing right now. So it's formatted to view on a mobile device, a tablet, a phone, things like that. So, but we've got those live on there now, and of course the customer can now favorite them, put them in a cart, do all those things. So if you're having trouble, if you're getting some weird message from the iPads that says address not found, a lot of times it's because you're pointing it to the wrong IP address. So be sure that your iPads are pointing to this address, and you see we just put that right there. Those two things have to match because that tells the Fotobility viewer where to look for those images.